Hey, how's it going, dudes? Brad the Fixologist here. In this video, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to look at the results of what it can be like being a YouTuber drunkenly responding to emails. I wasn't drunk at the time I responded to this, but sometimes you look at the reality of a situation you've gotten yourself into and you're like, why did I do this? I've got a snowblower sitting on my front lawn here. A 24-inch, two-stage snowblower in the box, brand new. This company reached out to me, and this is like one of those late night, drunken text moments where I'm like, yeah, sure, send me that thing. I'll take a look at it. But I mean, look around, there's no snow. So I don't know how I'm going to demonstrate a snowblower. I guess we'll have to do, we'll do a box opening and we'll put it together and kind of get it running. And then later on in the season, if it does actually snow, now here lately in Louisville, I don't know, the past several years, we've gotten very little snow. Like we would have winters where maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, 5 days out of the winter, we would get some snow where it would be enough to warrant a snowblower. I did say yes to this thing, so I'm obligated to check it out. So we're gonna check it out. I mean, I'll check it out. And then later on, like I said, we'll do another video if it snows, blowing some snow. I'm an idiot. Nope, I'm gonna need a dolly. Okay, I'm gonna have to tilt it up on its end to get it on there, so hopefully that doesn't damage anything. I don't think it will no longer. I've got to do it. You get motor oil. It's probably shipped empty, I'm guessing. Get a bag here full of some stuff. Fuel cap. Probably some assembly tools, I would imagine, and the hardware for the... Yeah, there's hardware brackets and hardware. It's got that fresh factory smell, that new rubber kind of a smell. I used to hate that smell as a kid, but now I've grown to like it. The outside of the packaging says you save the packaging in case there's any kind of problem. You got to pack it up and put it and send it back. But I don't see how that's really possible without flipping the thing completely over. I don't know how you would do that. I'm going to cut the box from around it. Tell you what, it's a good looking thing. Yeah, we've leaked a little bit of fluid here. Oil has been drained for shipping. That's what I kind of thought. Muy importante, as it says over here. Yeah, we do have some oil leaking out pretty much everywhere because I had to tip it up on its side to transport it. The shipper probably tilted it as well, but it's got fluid coming out here and there. Probably from out of the intake, I would imagine, oil. So the first run is going to be pretty cloudy. This is going to be quite the change, really. We're used to dealing with old broken down stuff, not brand new stuff. So hopefully this goes off without a hitch. If they wanted you to save the packaging, they probably should have crated it at the bottom, and then the box kind of attaches to the crate bottom, so you could release the box and pick the box up off the crate bottom. That would have been probably a better way of doing it. Otherwise, I don't see how you're meant to possibly preserve the box to return it if there's a problem. Oil that's leaked, you can see some there and some up here, and it might have come out of the exhaust. I don't know. We've got some that's come up and over up here and then dripped over. I mean, it's not a concern because we're gonna refill the oil anyway. It is a good looking machine. Oh, where's this thing made? Is this actually made in the US? Okay, so here's what you get in the bag. You get some cotter pins and little pins, probably, I presume for this. And you get a couple of bolts for this. 3 batteries, which is strange. Actually got 4 bolts, make that 4 bolts. And then a second key. Here's a key. Yeah, they ship that packaged up so it doesn't get broken off up here because it's setting higher than everything else. So. And you get these. And you get an instruction manual and a warranty statement. It looks like a quick start guide of some kind. There's more crap tucked up under here. That's the chute. Yeah, when I first looked at it from this end, I thought it was crated because I saw this piece of wood. I thought the bottom was crated, but no, it's just to protect the blades. Speaking of blades, it's probably a good time to reiterate, if you don't know already, these are very dangerous machines. Keep away from toddlers, pets, midgets. This thing has a headlight on it. There's a headlight. I've never actually owned a snowblower, but I'm sure some of you people up north are probably laughing at me right now. It's like, he doesn't know what he's doing. Why doesn't he know what he's doing? Because I live in Louisville, Kentucky. We don't get a whole lot of snow. We get enough probably to justify owning one of these and using it, you know, like I said, 3-4 times a season. Yeah, other than that, I mean, it's not a constant thing here. 13. Oh, the batteries are for the lights. There's a battery box. There's a little battery box under here for the lights. I guess it saves money because you don't have to have a little alternator. There's the first sign of a shortcut, but at least they do have a light. I wouldn't have even expected a light, to be honest. But having a built-in floodlight with a battery box is better than nothing, you know. This thing has electric start. I had no idea. See, there's your starter. Electric start. See right there, you plug it in to use the electric start, or it does have a pull start if you prefer. What does it say here? It's kind of strange that they have it in French, but it's not though, because think about Canada. They probably sell a lot of these in Canada. French, Canada. All right, let's get the rest of this thing together. We'll get some oil in it and get a little bit of gas in it, and we'll check it out. Okay, that's not right. Yeah, so far the only thing that really seems to be of not the best quality in the world is this chute right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's very flimsy plastic. I don't know that it has to be very thick, but or I don't even know that it would be more durable if it was thicker. I'm just saying it's plastic, it's thin, so maybe order an extra part if you're going to get one of these, if you plan on using it long term, because that probably eventually would be the first thing to break, I imagine. It's that right there. These cables that come attached to the handle, there's a little circle here. One of them attaches to this cable. The other one is meant to attach to this cable right here. I probably should have done this before I attached the handle, but oh well, it worked. Okay, we have a lever here. This is going to do what? What is this going to do? This one goes here, like this, and that pin goes through that. Okay, there's that. Now what goes here? Something on this. What goes there? And what is this? Okay, this quick start guide talks about this clean out tool that's supposed to hang from this bar underneath the controls there, and I don't see a clean out tool. I didn't get anything like that, not that I could see. What is this? And what is this? Okay, part number 114. This is a speed control connection rod. Is it connected? It's got to connect to this. Okay, yeah, it does. It does. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, simple enough. So that's the speed control connection rod that adjusts this here. I don't know what the hell these are for. Oh, there it is. There it is. Found it. Clean out tool. It was down here by the tire. So it just, what, hangs here? It just hangs there until you need it. Okay, these little pins right here, these aren't mentioned at all in the quick start guide, so I don't know what these are. Oh, I know exactly what these are. These are mentioned in the manual. These are additional shear pins, so these are meant to shear off if you hit something hard. These pins down here, one here, 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 and here. These are meant to break. They have built-in weak points, like here and here, so these will shear off. And just this will spin if it hits something hard, so it doesn't destroy whatever, kill whatever. So that's what those are. All right, time to put oil in it. Okay, so while we're letting that oil get in there, we'll grab some gasoline and get ready to gas this thing up. The quick start guide did recommend putting the batteries in, but I recommend not doing that until you're actually going to use the thing at night. That way they're not just sitting in there leaking all their juices into the battery compartment. But yeah, let's get some gasoline and we'll try to start this thing up. One more thing I forgot to install is these little skid plates. These are meant to be like sacrificial little parts that go on the bottom of this. So as you're skidding along, whatever surface you're skidding on, you know, you'll wear these out before you wear the auger out. Okay, gasoline. Okay, this has a built-in little filter with a fuel level in it. It just sits down in there. Okay, that ought to be enough to test it. This thing has a primer bulb on it. So you pull the key to kill it. Okay, that is a preliminary unboxing of a 212cc PowerSmart 24-inch snowblower. We did not test the electric start. I guess we could go ahead and test that. Okay. Boy, that was nice. Very sweet. So yeah, that is a, like I said, a 212cc PowerSmart 24-inch snowblower. Very good quality. The engine seems like it's good quality. Started up pretty much first time. The only thing, like I said, that seems iffy is this blower chute, which is flimsy. But again, I don't know if you were to make that of a plastic that was harder, it might be even more brittle and might be more prone to break. So what do I know? You know what I mean? It's just one of those situations you don't know until you get down the road. So it's just something I'm definitely looking out for, and that's probably the first thing that will break on this machine, I'm guessing. You know, something will fall on it in the garage, or you know, something like that, and break it. It won't just break of its own accord, but something will end up falling on that and breaking it probably. Yeah, man. So that'll do it for this video. Hit subscribe. See y'all later.
Hey, laser lips! Your mama was a snowblower!